What if adult videos, explicit chats, and private calls are happening on a phone right now, and you have zero visibility into it? uMobix is the tool I use to stop assuming and finally see the full picture. That fear pushed me to search non-stop. I wasn't just curious. I was concerned about adult content, risky apps, hidden messages, and things happening quietly in the background. I looked up, is uMobix legit, uMobix review, uMobix installation, setup guides, tutorials, Android and iPhone compatibility, trying to understand if this tool was actually real or just hype. This is where uMobix shows its strength. It monitors apps, messages, calls, location, and online activity, helping uncover adult content and risky behavior early. On supported devices, it works in hidden mode and updates quietly. Advanced features allow voice recording, live environment listening, and video capture on compatible devices, giving deeper awareness when it's legally and responsibly used. The dashboard is clean, fast, and easy to understand, even for beginners.